Hey everybody, now we're going to do some picking in this video. Got an old alpha padlock. It's been in my collection for quite a while, and I know I've never picked it. I think when I got it, I ran the code that's there. It got a 4-4 on the bottom, and cut the key to the only bitting that made sense, and it didn't work, so I guess it wasn't right. Just a tiny little like luggage lock or something. It's got a Y5 or Y6 keyway. It might be the same keyway. I'm not totally sure, but we'll see if we can get into it. Let's see here, pry bar. Yeah, I don't know that that's gonna work here. See the Y keyway, the Yale keyway. This is like a smaller version of the Y1 keyway, and the top of it turns the wrong way. So the top of the keyway is not always fantastic on that. So we'll try bottom of the keyway with a looks like a standard hook here. Yeah, already open. So basically like a luggage lock. It is a pin tumbler lock, that's not a wafer lock. So, but anyway, it's a little alpha padlock, single pin picked. And I guess hit like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.